my mom, who used to rip stuff out of magazines and hand it to me and say, here, I thought you might want this, handed me a little thing about how to deal with leaks. And I put it in a notebook and set it aside until one day I was trying to deal with leaks and remembered that I had it. So here's the thing about leeks. Because of the way that they're grown, they have a lot of dirt inside. Look at all that. That's a whole lot of dirt. And we can rinse some of that out. And I'm going to. But it isn't going to get it all out. So here's what you do. You just split this leek lengthwise. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it. Whoop, into the size pieces that I'm going to use. And beside me, as I go, I'm going to be removing any leaves that are kind of tough. That one looks pretty tough, so I'm going to take that out of there. That one looks tough. I'm going to take that out of there. But I'm going to, as I go up the stalks, I'll be able to feel with my knife when I'm hitting the leaves that are really too tough to use in our recipe. So I am continuing to chop up the stalk. I'm going to take this one off. And I can see there's a lot of dirt in this stuff. What I have here is a bowl full of water. I'm going to pick these up and put them in the water and slosh them around a little bit with my hands. And as I do that, I can see that all the dirt is floating to the bottom of the bowl. So that's what I'm going to do with all of these. Slice off the end. Slice it lengthwise. You can even hear some of the grit on the counter there on the butcher block. Okay, so I've got my leeks. They've been sitting in this big bowl of water and I've jiggled them around a little bit. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start to lift them out gently and put them in my bowl. Now, sometimes I do this twice. It just depends on how dirty the leeks are. But I generally find that one bath is enough. If I give it 2 baths, I wouldn't be putting it in my mise en place bowl there. All right, let me see if I can show you. Down here at the bottom, it's kind of hard to see. You see all of the dirt down at the bottom that we floated out of the leeks? I'm going to throw that away.